Welcome to the pre-assessment FMO guide for cable craning, otherwise known as Skyline. My name's Sarah Chapman, I'm from MJ Wood Services, and I'm joined today by Michael Crutchley.
Hello.
Who's an MPTC assessor and Lantra trainer and is a forestry contractor with 20 years experience. And Mike will be sharing his knowledge with us today on the skills that you need to demonstrate during your FMO cable crane assessment. This is one of 7 videos on the cable crane assessment, and you will need to watch these in conjunction with our base machine videos, which also cover your health and safety, hazards and risks and PPE. We already assume you have a good level of skill. This is not a training video, so we assume you have a good level of skill for using the Skyline or cable crane. And we always recommend that you seek formal training and read the qualification guidance. These videos would not be possible without the support of Forestry Focused Future, an innovative training scheme, and Callum Campbell of Forest Services Limited from Huncliffe for the use of his machines, crew and site today. This is video 4 of the Skyline pre-guide assessment series, and this is where we're covering up the setup of the Skyline and the Carriage. Here we're setting up the Carriage onto the main line. And we're threading through the haul-in rope. And we're attaching a weight to the haul-in to help assist it to drop to the ground. Part of your assessment, you need to demonstrate the changing of a wedge eye, which is what we're demonstrating here. So we're loosening off the nuts. Obviously, suitable PPE needs to be worn, gloves, eye protection if you're using a grinder. You're attaching the T-bar, which is part of the chokering system. It's very handy having a vise on the side of your base machine. We're going to tighten the nut up now to secure it all. And we have the completed wedge eye replaced and T-bar. You need to check the rating of the wedge eye to make sure it's compatible with your rope and winch, and attach the chokering system. Make sure that you're working at a safe distance. You need to give clear commands to the winchman as a chokerman. Raise the main line to a suitable working height and do a test run of the carriage. Here we're demonstrating lowering the Skyline, so you release the tension on the main line and lower the tower. So Mike, when we're setting up the Skyline, when would you use a straw line?
A straw line is a lightweight soft rope setup you'd run it round the system and then back up just to use it to haul the heavy steel ropes around, just to make manual handling a lot easier for the operators.